Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm deboning fish, just this dry fish. How do you love to debone your fish, especially if you know you're cooking for others, and others I mean your family, your friends, children, the mix, everyone, the elderly. How do you love to debone your fish? I know that sometimes people love to just throw in their dry fish anyhow into their food and let everybody sort it out. But guys, I just love to debone my fish, my dry fish. I don't like to eat and keep putting my hands in my mouth getting off bones. So this is just how I love to do it. I break this fish. First I go for the very visible bone, like this one. I take it out, and then I see other bones and I carefully take it out. One of the things that is required in deboning fish is just care and caution. I say caution. You have to have a third eye, so you'll be able to see all your bones, or as tiny as they are, you just have to see it. Please, do you have any other simple method of deboning your fish? Please leave it in the comment section and share with us. I love to just break it and then keep looking with my eyes, and I keep taking them out. I just do this and keep breaking and breaking till I see this stick. Guys, look at this stick. It's one of the things they use in holding the fish together. If you've ever seen them roasting the fish and grilling it, preparing it for the drying process, they use this stick to hold it, or a skewer. It's so sharp, they use it to hold it in, so the fish is together. So when you're buying it, you just buy a whole fish that is curled up and then you take it out. Another important reason why it is good for you to debone your fish, aside the fact that it's easy to eat, it makes your eating smooth, the next important reason is to avoid accidents. Guys, you wouldn't want to choke on a bone while eating. It's one of the difficult things that can happen to anyone, and I mean it. You don't have to go through that issue or that problem. So it's important for you to debone your dry fish, and I mean these bones that are hard. Some dry fishes, like I said, they can be soft. The bones can be soft as well, so you can just easily grind them with your teeth, while others, their bones can actually be terrible. So it's important for you to just debone your fish straight up before cooking. And doing this, remember, you have to get your third eye to work on the fish, so you can be able to see every tough bone. At this point, I'm almost done with deboning, and I mean deboning it without any other aid, just me and the dry fish. I can still see some bones, some stubborn ones are still hiding, but we'll all see it and we'll get them out before our final cooking. Guys, if you made it to this point, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Yes, look at this other bone, guys, and please give a thumbs up to this video for me. Thank you for stopping by. So yes, I'm still in the process of going around this fish to find the bones and the hard ends of this fish. Guys, right now I'm almost done with the debone. Oh guys, look at another one. I just saw another bone. Yes, I know someone will say, why don't you have a second bowl, so that when you just get the normal fish out, you put it in the second bowl? Guys, I just want to work with one bowl, guys. Yes. Next, I sprinkle some salt. Salt will help get rid of germs. You don't know how long this has been in the stores or moving from one continent to the other. In all these processes, germs and bacteria must be hiding somewhere. And I also pour some warm water into the dry fish. It will soften it, and it will help get rid of the bones. In case if there are bones hiding, no matter how much they hide, by the time we do the final washing, the bones will be out and the fish should be clear of bones. Guys, if you notice, there are other things floating on top of this fish, like insects or ants that eat fish. So these are all the processes that I have to go through to debone this fish. Guys, do stay tuned for more food content, and thank you guys for watching. Do have a nice day, guys. Bye.